how about some creamy, delicious chicken and shrimp Alfredo? This one is so easy to make and the outcome is so delicious. Welcome back to the channel, guys. To my returning supporters, welcome. To those of you coming for the first time, welcome as well. Please make it official by tapping the subscribe button and hitting the notification bell. Okay, I'm doing a run through of the steps and ingredients. Okay, here we have a chicken breast. I'm going to cut these in thin strips. And for the shrimp, we're going to peel. They're already deveined. So I'm just going to peel them. And then we're going to wash these with the vinegar. And after washing, I'm going to season them. And we'll start the cooking process. So just continue watching and I'll catch you further on in the video. But if it's your first time here, my name is Nicola. I do international dishes, Jamaican dishes, and just play around in the kitchen. So if you like what you're seeing, please tap the subscribe button or the link above to become an official member of the family. So now that our chicken has been seasoned, we're leaving that aside to marinate a bit. So we're going to finely mince our onion and garlic and we'll set those aside as well. So just continue watching and enjoy the background music. Now that's out the way, we're adding water for boiling our pasta and we're adding oil to a pot to saute our chicken and shrimp. This I'm going to saute it for around 4 minutes, then remove from the pot and we'll saute our onion. So just continue watching, guys, and I'll catch you further on in the video. prepping my cheese. This is a piece of Guoda cheese. And in the other bowl, I have some Parmesan cheese. I'm also going to use some cooking cream and garlic and herb cream. And we're going to add our penne pasta to cook until it's al dente. Then we drain and add to our cream. But first, we're going to add our pasta and then we work on the cream. Guys, FYI, my onion were caramelizing a little bit too much for me, but they wasn't burned, they was just caramelized. So here I'm adding all the ingredients I mentioned earlier for my cream, and we're going to add this, add season, and then we can combine. And the season I'll be adding to my Alfredo sauce are those I use to season my chicken. So just continue watching and I'll catch you when it's time to put this together. My pasta ready, so I'm going to drain this and add to my sauce. My Alfredo sauce was tasting so yummy, guys. So I'm just going to mix this together. Look how creamy this is. And after completely mixing, then I'm going to add my cooked chicken and shrimp. And then the final touch, we're going to garnish. But if you're watching to this far and you haven't subscribed, please do so at this moment. Turn your bell on for future uploads as well. And I also have a channel membership where you get first and look of my videos and one-on-one members only videos. So do check out the channel membership where you get those extra perks. So here I've finally add my finely chopped parsley, and now it's time to serve. Look how creamy, guys. Yes. And here is the finished dish. I'm adding a bit more cheese on top along with some parsley, and this was yummylicious. So hope you enjoy this one and you'll try this one. This one is also a favorite for Valentine's dinner. So this one is a must try. So thanks again for watching. Also like the video, share, drop me a comment below, and do subscribe if you haven't as yet. So until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.